Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
No, stop.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Set your affirmations, aspirations. Shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time.
Alright, welcome back. Today's going to be a little bit different in the sense that it will involve the return of an X. And I know what you're thinking, Tony, how does an X relate to a car channel? Let me explain. By X, I'm referring to one of my previous vehicles, a 2008 BMW 335. Had a fair bit of mods. However, after so many years of ownership, it was time to part ways in the sense that it was giving me more headache than anything. So in turn, it was dubbed the X. That being said, it was a fantastic vehicle. I really did enjoy it. I had a ton of fun. It was rear-wheel drive, automatic, upgraded WaveTrack LSD. It was lowered on H&R Cup kit with really nice super speed 18-inch wheels, super light, did a fantastic job. It had upgraded Franken turbos, inlets, dual cone intake, meth, PR coil upgrade. It was great. There was a couple of things that I didn't like. It started to have miscellaneous oil leaks. It had an exhaust leak that I couldn't track down and I couldn't fix, and along with that I just foresaw multiple other things going wrong, and at that point I decided to just sell it to upgrade into something else. And of course that would be the BMW 540 that you'll see in a near episode. I ended up selling the car approximately 3 months ago. I stayed in touch with the previous owner who drove it, enjoyed it, somehow managed to put approximately 45,000 kilometers on it within 3 months. I very sporadically started talking to him. I didn't really get any updates. And in turn, a few of you had screenshotted the link or the ad, and the vehicle was listed for sale. When I originally had the vehicle, it was in fantastic shape, paint corrected, ceramic coated. It looked amazing. I ended up doing the LCI upgraded headlights, 3M on the front, very clean. It was still winter driven, however, I always maintained it, made sure it looked good, and took very good care of it. So looking at the ad, the first thing that pops up is, hey, it actually still looks pretty good. When you scroll down, you start to notice that there is now an existing or a new issue. Now that issue is within the engine, and it appears as though it had some sort of failure. Don't know why. Haven't seen the vehicle, haven't spoken to the previous owner. I know nothing more. What's ironic and also kind of funny is that a friend of mine ended up purchasing the vehicle and told me about it. Of course, first asked if I'd be alright with it since I'd at some point probably see it. Of course, it's not my car. I had no issues with it. So right now I'm heading over to a buddy's place who ended up buying the vehicle, and we'll see what kind of shape and condition it's in. CRV's warmed up, time to go.
Yeah, Marsh, how are you? You know what's going on, Taylor?
He doesn't have a clue. What do you think it is, Ozzy?
I have no idea, man.
Oh, it's...
Oh, this is your car! That's your car! Holy... It looks like Nardo. Yo, what's going on? You spun the bearings, right? Or...
I don't know.
Oh my... Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Ozzy, you know what they call that? Stripper glitter. Yep, that is stripper glitter. Like it's just destroyed. Look at the Franken turbo. Nice.
Like, these are all off.
Unreal.
Leak from the pump.
That's after I've cleaned it up.
Oh, there's a puddle.
Yeah.
Look at the mess.
You had the
Pump right there.
yeah. So all of this was soaked.
I mean, the body still kind of looks okay. Yeah, look at the steering wheel.
These are the injectors, right?
Yeah.
You didn't pull the moldings off. It was like this. Like...
How do you feel? Tell me. How do you feel? Tell me. Seeing your car like this?
Put so much effort into a car and then
Yeah. Oh shit.
destroyed.
Wow. Was it ripped before like this? I don't think so, man. Even this is in rough shape.
Like everything used to be super clean. Like I remember even changing like
Yeah.
this little gasket and shit because it was...
How about the turbos? They're in good shape or?
I haven't pulled both yet. They're both still sitting there.
Wow.
Well, let's take a peek on the front one.
Front one's fine.
Oh yeah, I see it there.
Front one's okay. Look at that. Like,
Yeah.
Here, put your hand on the catch can. You can see how overfilled it is.
Yeah.
he might have hydrolocked it.
I haven't tried spinning the motor yet.
Wow.
If it's leaking out of there,
Yep.
he could have hydrolocked the motor. Like the whole reason, you remember the catch can that was here, right? So you had to empty that every few thousand kilometers because there'd be a bunch of oil that would, well, I guess that it would catch essentially. But if he didn't and that filled, it very well could have hydrolocked the motor.
Every meth line. Like this line had nothing in it. Solenoid had nothing in it. The whole line in between, nothing in it. When I pulled it from the trunk, no meth in the line.
Well, Ozzy, you know what that means. Racing you, I was undefeated.
Clutch adaptations for clutch E is 902.
902.
So that means
Worse than this. And
That means he sent it to hell.
like this thing is toast, and that has nothing on 902.
He pulled an Aussie. Too much spice.
Way too much spice.
Too much habanero.
like these cars are solid cars, man. Like if you're breaking these cars, just gotta do. I don't know. If you maintain them, they're gonna whatever, right?
Oh, if you're gonna break these, you're either cheap,
Yeah.
too poor to own it, or fucking stupid.
Yes.
Like that's the only way you can break
get
one.
the maintenance done, then beat it out of it. That's fine, but
Maintain them.
maintain
I mean,
them.
look
Yeah,
at
like
this thing.
look at that. Look at mine.
They
Just-
work great. The only issue I have is blowing up transmissions, but
The American made Holy,
Oh my god!
this is nice. Wow. Oh, that is
Holy shit!
this is something. Wow.
I don't even know what to say.
You can take your car back, sir.
Oh yeah.
There you go. You know. Man. What a day, Tony.